Hello mindful devs. In this video, we are going to understand what is data structure and what are its types. Let's see the definition. Data structure is a storage that is used to store and organize data. It is a way of arranging data on a computer so that it can be accessed and updated efficiently. Depending on your requirement and project, it is important to choose the right data structure for your project. For example, if you want to store data sequentially in the memory, then you can go for array data structure. Now, let's see what are its types. Basically, data structure are divided into two categories: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Now, what are linear data structure? In linear data structures, the elements are arranged in sequence one after the other. Since elements are arranged in particular order, they are easy to implement. However, when the complexity of a program increases, the linear data structure might not be the best choice because of operational complexities. Popular linear data structures are arrays, stack, queue, and linked list. Now, what is non-linear data structure? Unlike linear data structures, elements in non-linear data structures are not in any sequence. Instead, they are arranged in a hierarchical manner where one element will be connected to one or more elements. Non-linear data structures only have two types, which are graph and tree. Now, understand some of the differences between linear and non-linear data structure. In linear data structure, the data items are arranged in sequential order, one after the other. In non-linear data structure, the data items are arranged in non-sequential order, like hierarchical manner. All the items are present on the single layer. The data items are present at different layers. It can be traversed on a single run. That is, if we start from the first element, we can traverse all the elements sequentially in a single pass. It requires multiple runs. That is, if we start from the first element, it might not be possible to traverse all the elements in a single pass. The memory utilization is not efficient. Different data structures utilizes memory in different efficient ways depending on the need. The time complexity increases with the data size. Time complexity remains the same. We will see all linear and non-linear data structures in detail in separate videos. Now let's see what are algorithms. An algorithm is a set of commands that must be followed for a computer to perform calculations or other problem-solving operations. According to its formal definition, an algorithm is a finite set of instructions carried out in a specific order to perform a particular task. It is not the entire program or code. It is just simple logic to a problem represented as an informal description in the form of a natural language or flowchart or pseudocode. Let's understand how to design an algorithm. First, we have a problem. A problem can be defined as a real-world problem for which you need to develop a program or set of instructions. Then we have an algorithm. An algorithm is defined as a step-by-step process that will be designed for a problem. Then we have an input. After designing an algorithm, the algorithm is given the necessary and desired inputs. Then we have processing unit. The input will be passed to the processing unit, producing the desired output. And at last we have an output. The outcome or result of a program is referred to as output. Now, do you think that what is the need for algorithm? Yes, there are two main reasons for an algorithm, which are scalability and performance. Now, what are its types? Algorithms have a lot of types like brute force, recursive, backtracking, searching, sorting, divide and conquer, greedy, and dynamic algorithms. Now, how to write an algorithm? There are no well-defined standards for writing algorithms. It is, however, a problem that is resource dependent. Algorithms are never written with a specific programming language in mind. Algorithms are always written in simple natural language. This is an algorithm, or if you wanna write algorithm professionally, you can use pseudocode. Don't worry, we will see all important algorithms regarding interviews one by one in detail later. So keep tuning in, stay curious, and may your code be bug free.